The outcome of the food, guys. Just have a look of it, guys. I'm so impressed of myself. I'm very much impressed of myself, guys. See you in my next video. Bye. What's up, lovely people? This is your guy Brainstorm, and today we are back again with another exciting video. You get it? Today we are going to do a food content. So we are going to prepare tomato stew with a touch of rice. Do you get it? So let's start everything from scratch. Let's go. Let's dive into it, guys. To set the ball rolling, guys, let's start frying our beefs. Yeah, this is the beef. So let's start frying them. So the beef already have salt in it, so you won't add salt to it. Okay, so we add our, so we put our saucepan on fire and then we add our oil. So this me adding my oils. Then we move on to the beef. So we place the beef inside the oil one after the other, and we make sure it gets cooked or it gets fried and fried well. You get it? So this is the beef whilst it is being fried. You get it? Yeah. Because beef already have a lot of salt in it, so you're not going to add any salt to it. You can just testify that there is even salt in the oil while the beef is already frying. So you are going to make sure it fries and cooked well. Do you get it? Yeah. So this time around we are going to blend our tomato and our onions. Yeah, because for stew you just need a lot of onions so that to give it that aroma. Do you get it? Yeah. So I'll first be cutting my onions. I'll be cutting my onions into smaller pieces, then I'll put it inside the blender for it to be blended. Do you get it? Yeah. So this me cutting my onions. The onions need to be in smaller pieces. Do you get it? So that it can be blended well. Because when it is in larger pieces, the blender is not able to blend it well. You see some stamps inside. So this me, yeah, putting up the best and the perfect skills I have in food preparation. So at this point I'm done cutting my tomatoes, so I move on to the onions. You know that onions have some sensitive items inside that it goes straight into your eyes when they are cutting, and that will cause you crying or something. Yeah, so I hate when cutting onions. So these onions, whilst I was cutting, it started entering my eyes, so I needed to wash my eyes and wash the onions to minimize the rate of that high sensitive. Guys, you get it? Yeah. So this is me putting up my best skills in chefing. So at this moment I was done blending my onion mixed with the tomato. So at this juncture we are going to pour the blended tomato and onion inside our saucepan with oil. So you are going to fry it until it starts turning brownish in color. Do you get it? Yeah. So this is me pouring the blended tomato and onions inside our saucepan. So we are going to put this on the fire, and we are going to stir until it starts turning brown. This is the mixture I was talking about. So we are going to stir until much of the water inside begin to drain out. Do you get? This is actually the outcome after much of the water have been drained. Do you get it? And you can see it is already turning brownish in color. Yeah, so at this moment much of the water have been drained, so we need to go to the next procedure. Much of the water has already been drained. Okay, so after this thing is dried up, we move forward to add our tasty tom or your your tomato sauce. Yeah, the tomato sauce that you want to do it. So this me adding the tomato sauce. I normally use Tasty Tom in preparing my foods. Do you get it? Yeah. So you are going to add it, and also you are going to add a little bit of water to it. So after I've added it, I'm going to pour water inside. Then I'll make sure I rinse inside the Tasty Tom, the rubber of the Tasty Tom, the sachets. Yeah, I rinse it, then pour it back into the stew that we are making. Do you get it? Yeah, because there will be some of the particles of the tomato sauce inside the sachets, so you need to rinse it and pour it back inside. Do you get it? So this me doing that. After that, then we put it back onto the fire. They begin to stir. So you begin to stir until it have properly mixed up with the tomato and onions that we first dried the water out. Do you get it? Yeah, so this me trying to stir it up. So we just you stir until it is properly mixed up. Just have a look of it, how it is stirred up. Can you see? Can you see it is properly stirred up? Yeah, so you just leave it for it to be on the fire. So at this moment I added my leaves. This leaves is going to give it the flavor. It's going to give it a different flavor and a nice aroma. Yeah, that's the purpose of the leaves. So I added my leaves. That's going to help me with nice flavor and aroma. Yeah, so this stew like this, if you are even from a far distance and you are coming, you are going to hear the aroma of the stew first before you even enter the room. Yeah, so at this moment then I fry my eggs and my sausage. This our beef that we fried earlier on. So I mix the egg and the sausage, then I pour it into the stew. They get it? Yeah. So this me. Then you mix it gently. Then you cover it. Do you get it? Yeah. After you mixing it gently, then you cover it. Yeah. So this me mixing it up. Do you get it? Yeah. You make sure you mix it so that every place gets some. Then you cover it. Because so after covering it, it will help the egg cook well. They get it. Then the sausage, because it have to be cooked well. They get it. So this is the outcome. So at this moment you can see that the stew is ready. Yeah, you can all test. First phase done. Let's go to the next phase. Right now let's try and cook our rice and come and blend it, and let's see if it is going to blend. Do you get it? So ready to prepare our rice. The saucepan goes in first. Then add a little bit of oil to it. Yeah, because we want to do it a greased rice. So the oil goes. Then what next? Okay, so after that then our rice goes. Then we try to fry the rice a little bit. Then we add our beef. Yeah, the beef is going to give the rice a nice aroma, a very very nice aroma. You can try this. It will give it a nice aroma. So when the rice is about to be well cooked, then we add our chopped veggies to it. They get it. Then we stir. This is me having a taste of the rice, and guys, the rice actually tastes very very good. Trust me. Because of the chopped veggies, it gave it a nice taste, and the beef also gave it a nice aroma, and everything came together, and it brought out a nice and a better rice. Do you get it? Then I moved further and fried my egg and some sausages. So this one will be a touch, like I'll be using that one as my protein source. So this is the outcome of the food, guys. I'm so impressed of myself. I'm very very much impressed of myself, guys. See you in my next video. Bye, guys. This is finally the outcome of the food I've made. You can see, and you can testify that it will taste very very good. Can you see? Yeah, you can all testify that it will taste very very good. So you can watch other contents from this channel. My name is Brainstorm, and love to see you in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you very much for watching.